So given the points -1, 2 and the point 7, 5, we've got to find the midpoint. So let's just write those coordinates out again so you can see them more clearly. -1, 2 across to 7, 5. Can we find the midpoint? The midpoint can be found by adding the x coordinates together and dividing by 2. That will give me how far halfway across. So we're going across from -1 across to 7. Well, halfway across then can be found by adding them together and dividing by 2, which comes to 6/2, which comes to 3. So I'll write the 3 in here. For the y coordinates, we've got to go see how far up we went and then half that for the midpoint. So for y, we've started at the point 2 and we've gone up to 5. So from 2 plus 5, we need to divide that by 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7/2 is 3.5. So our midpoint, which would be about here, is at the coordinates 3, 3.5. Now in the next question, we've got to find out the gradient of PQ, where P is -4, 4, and Q is 1, -5. So if we just roughly draw this, so if we were at -4, we can use the grid here, so we're at -4, 4, which is about there, and we come down to 1, -5. So we're coming down like that. So we draw a triangle, and we've got to work out how far down we've come. So we've come down from a height of 4. Okay, so it was the height of 4, it was 4 down to -5, so we've dropped 9, and we've moved across from -4 to 1, -4 across to 1, which is 5. So our gradient then, gradient is up over across, well, it's a negative because we've actually come down. We've gone across 5, so the gradient is -9/5. And you can, of course, write that as -1 and 4/5. There's your answer.